Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to take your converted to MP3 file, your podcast now that you've converted to MP3 in iTunes. Then you've taken and run it through your ID3 tag editor. By the way, that ID3 tag editor I use for Windows. If you're using Apple, then you're going to have to Mac. You're going to have to use. There's ones out there for it. You may have to pay a small amount of money to get one. They're pretty simple to use. Then you're going to log into your Libsyn account. Libsyn is Liberated Syndication. All they do is podcasting. And the only thing I use this account for is to host my files online. You cannot host your podcast on Bluehost or HostGator or that sort of thing. Any kind of shared hosting like that will not let you put 1.2 gigabyte files on their server and take up their bandwidth. So you need to get an account with Libsyn. This is an account that gives me what 400 and something. Uh, I forget how much usage. Let's take a look at our. I have 400 megabytes per month, and each show takes up a certain amount of space. And then as I publish another show, it takes up more space. But then it's per month. So after next month, after 10/26 a day is the 20th. So 6 days from now, this amount of space is going to free up. So that'll free up. So I'll always have open space. And then it doesn't matter how much you leave on Libsyn. Uh, Currently, I'm using this much, but once they archive it, you can have people keep coming back and downloading it and using it, etc., and getting those, downloading your information. Okay, so let's close this out. We're going to go show you how to. So once you log into your dashboard, this is my account. I'm going to click on Publish, and then when it pops up, we got to go find our file. And so here it says, I want to publish a podcast episode, text post, file from download only, file for download only. That's what I want. So I'm going to click that button. Where are you going to find it? We're going to go to our hard drive because remember, we put it on that in that folder. And we're going to click on Revolution Original Audio Files. And there we go. There's my MP3 that's tagged. So I'm going to click on that, hit open. And now it's ready to publish. So I can go down here and click publish. Now I'm not going to do it because I've already published this one, but it's ready to publish. So if I click on publish, then there's going to be a progress bar that comes up here, and it's going to take a few minutes. It's going to process that file, and it's going to take that file and give you a URL or a direct URL that you can use to upload to your WordPress blog or wherever you're hosting your show. So I'm going over here to previous post. So there's the post. It's been published. And if I hover over it, you can see that the blue links pop up, and I can click on links. And then here's 3 links. I want the direct download URL. So I'm going to highlight that and Control C and copy it. So here I am in my WordPress admin, and I'm going to hit add new. And to publish this, I'm just going to put a new post. So then I would put my title here. I'm going to use the same title, 005, excuse me, episode 5. Okay, I've got my title here. And now I need to do the rest of my blog post, which is actually publishing the episode. And then there is also a plugin that we're going to use right here called PowerPress that lets you put. This is where you put your URL. I'm going to show you how this works in the next video.